Hello, what's going on, my Doordash drivers, my dashers? So I want to show you guys a quick way to fix your app issues. If you're having any issues with your app, now Doordash, the app always crashing. They got a new feature. It's called Check Network, application control. You go to settings, you go down to Check Network. You hit on it. It tells you test your connection for any problem that prevents you from using a Dasher application. So if you're having any issues using the Dasher applications, this is what you need to do. You hit on Start Test. So right now you can see I'm good. My internet connection is good. My Doordash server is good. I got a green check and I got a green check. If you have a red, X red, that means you have an issue, You might want to call support. If you see an app, it's supposed to be fixed right away. If you're offline or whatever issues you're having, you can log into the Doordash app or whatever, If this can't fix it, you definitely got to call support, so they can help you out. Let's test again. So network check is successful, successful. So yeah, guys, this is a quick way to fix your Dasher app, if you're having any issues, And I think it's a good feature because Doordash always, their servers always crashing, So this is a good feature you can use to, fix your Dasher issues. You feel me? Let's go up here again. Text your connections for any problems that prevent you from using the Dasher app, So there you have it, guys. You go in there, you test it. Let's test it again. Everything is good on my end. So I hope this good video help you guys out. Let's go out here, secure this bag, dash it and stash it. We get money. You already know, baby. So many ways. I hope this help you guys out. Y'all have a good one. Peace out. Boys, God bless.